Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to cancel Uber One subscription. So I was checking my Uber app the other day and realized I was still in an Uber One trial and I forgot about it. Classic situation, right? So I went into the app and tap on the account selection at the bottom right, just like the usual, when you're trying to find any hidden settings. From there, I opened my profile and started looking around, and that's where I spotted the Uber One section under messages. I tapped into it, and it took me straight to the membership details. Inside that screen, there's a Manage Members option, which basically controls everything about your subscription. I went in there, and at the bottom of the page, there was Add Membership, no dramatic warnings, no complicated steps, just a simple exit button. Once I confirm it, the subscription was set to stop. It's honestly one of those things that feels harder to find than it actually is. Once you know where it is, it takes less than a minute to handle. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.